Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now, our group should like to present about our project, final year project 2, that is dot matrix display using solar panel and ZP. Introduce my first partner.
My name is syazwan
And my name is Khairul.
And my name is Lutfi bin Muhammad Asyari.
For our introduction is to generate a dot matrix display using a solar panel source. Which is our dot matrix is using a battery without using the current from the electric. And then this project is going to use ZP and to transfer data to the dot matrix display. So we don't need to take out the PIC from the circuit. And then our dot matrix will display information.
For now, I'm going to explain about the aim and objective, the reason why we are creating this project. First, we are going to highlight the concept of natural source energy in Malaysia for electrical industries. The use of natural energy able to guarantee a clean nature, thus able to save on costs, especially in the premise of factory. In fact, nowadays, people in Malaysia are less using the renewable source as a power source in their life. So, we are going to introduce this concept in the initial stage in our college. Second, save cost from pay the electric bill. In fact, paying the electric bill in the monthly are going to have a relative high cost. So, to provide from that, we are going to use the solar that we can save the energy we can use. Third, information should be able to serve for people anywhere at any time. This means that information is such as important element that people should grab in all time. So we are trying to give information to all surrounding people in any way and any time.
For the problem statement, firstly, for the problem statement is less use of a free source energy in Malaysia. This is because we use sunlight to give a supply to our project. And secondly, transfer data to dot matrix display is complicated and need to use a long cable and wire. Our project use a ZP to transfer the data. And the third, information cannot be served if it's not been shown or told.
Okay, next is our marketing strategy. Marketing strategy means our strategy to sell our products, which consists of target market, advantage of the product, focus in marketing, competitors, and costing of calculation.
Now, I am going to explain about our target markets. Target markets means that customers that we are going to target to launch our project. First, at the restaurant. In restaurant, instead of using menu, we can use dot matrix to display the menu continuously. Besides that, dot matrix can use to attract customers to come in and enjoy our service. Secondly, to public transport companies. As an example, a bus can use it to display the information of destination approaching without using the manual method of board that passenger know their destination. Thirdly, to the signboard maker. As an example, nowadays many contractors use dot matrix using solar at the highway to explain if there was a construction obstacle in front of it.
Next is advantage of the product. The advantage of product have three. Firstly, no need power from the plug. This is because we use a battery supply 12 volt. And the second, we use rechargeable battery. We not to change the battery many times. The third is no need to use many wires.
Okay, next is focus in marketing, which consists of product, price, place, and promotion. For the product our product is using system electronic and easy to transfer data. Then the price is reasonable price. Next, the place is internet marketing, which we can search it at the Mudah.com or eBay. Next is promotion. Our promotion is using direct selling or using flyers.
Cost by set. Set for hardware. The component that we use are PVC, aluminium, cement, solar panel, battery. For PVC, the total price is 115 ringgit Malaysia. For aluminium is 30 ringgit. Cement 50 ringgit. Solar panel 1,500 ringgit Malaysia. For the battery 600 ringgit Malaysia. For the set controller element, the component is XB. The total price is 230 ringgit. And for the wire, the total price is 140 ringgit. For the casing, we use a pulse bag. The total price is 109 ringgit. And for the total cost, for the total our product is 2,759 ringgit. For the competitor, our product have compare our product and other products. For the price, our product is more cheaper, and the function is we use a solar panel power source. Compared to the competitor, it's a bit expensive, which is 3,500 ringgit.
For the result, first, dot matrix is playing an interactive way of serving information to attract people. Second, solar panel produce power supply that have the concept of non-pollution and continuously.
For the conclusion, this product is using solar panel to transfer the power supply. This product also using a XB to transfer data, so we just program from laptop and transfer it via XB. So we do not need to take out the PIC from the circuit to program it. Thank you.